Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you an incredible trick of how to adjust or to fix the saturation from Revit rendered images by a simple method, and how to basically play it many different ways possible. So let's begin. So first step is of course to render the view. So here I got this view that I want to render, and you can just go with any of those settings that you like. So I've already rendered this to come up with this view. Now this doesn't look good at all to my perspective. So what I would want to do next is open this with Photoshop, where we'll be adjusting this a lot. So let's do that. Now in Photoshop you can actually go by two methods to actually adjust the saturation. You can either just go to image and then to the adjustments, then the hue and saturation, where you can actually adjust the saturation a little bit. And here if you want, I will not change this, or I don't want any change in the color. So you can just adjust the saturation and press OK if that's good for you, but I'm not going to do this. So what I would rather do is I would go to the image adjustments and then to the HDR toning. Now here you see you'll find all of these options that you might have already seen in the camera roll if you're familiar with that. You can actually go with some different presets. So if you go with the saturated one, that will actually saturate the image a little, and you can also go through these options. You can just adjust these options, or you can just try a more saturated preset. Now what this will do, this will actually saturate the image even more, and I personally literally like this. I mean, this much saturation looks fantastic to the image we had earlier. It just looks totally a different image to that comparatively. So you can actually go through some more sort of presets if you like, just go through them all. And there's some monochromatic ones that you could actually also use. There's this Scott 5 one. This actually gives you the more detailed version of the image. Just look at those textures, how different they are from the actual image. Or what you can do is you can always change these values to actually make of one of your own presets. You can just change the values and actually save this. You can just click on this option here and then to the save presets option. So here you can actually name this preset and you can actually save this. Later you can load this preset from down below. Here I got these two of my presets saved. If I'll show you, this is the first one, and the second one is actually the monochromatic one, where I actually have this hint of saturation that I like. So if you look at here, here's a little saturation that I added. So if I show you in this project, I actually made one of my own presets, monochromatic presets, and I applied that to this image of this project. So this just look so different from the other ones. So you can actually make one of your own presets. You can play with those settings and make some incredible things happen maybe. So if you like this video, you can actually hit the like button below, or you can actually subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.